Oh no, dirty truck. Truck was muddy, brown and black, dust and dirt all on its back. Tony saw and gave a smile. Let's clean you up in style. Shiny shine is on track. Tony grabbed the hose so fast. Fun wash time at last. Water ready, bucket 2. Cleaning work he loved to do. Cleaning work he loved to do. Let's make the dirt pass. Water sprayed left and right. Mud was running out of sight. Splashing made a happy sound. Drops were dancing all around. Everything looked bright. Soap bubbles big and round. Foam was piling on the ground. Truck was laughing in delight, covered up in bubbles white. Fun was all around. Brush went round and round, making squeaky clean the ground. Wheels were shining bit by bit. Tony scrubbed and never quit. No more mud was found. Windows wiped so clear. Tony worked with cheer. Sparkles started shining through. Glass now crystal clear. Rinse away the foam. Make the truck like new at home. Water washed the bubbles down. No more dirt was found. Clean as shining chrome. Truck began to glow, cleaner than before. Toning by its side. Cloth went swipe and slide, drying every side. No more drops could stay. All were wiped away. Soft and shiny right. Sparkles shining bright. Truck looked full of light. Tony laughed with cheer. Best clean ever here. Happy, happy sight.
Fire truck covered in mud. Tony saw the messy flood. Spots and dirt everywhere. Cleaning now needs special care. Let's remove the muddy crud. Bucket ready, sponge in hand. The mind made a clean plan. Smiling big, he said, let's start. Helping trucks is kinda smart. Cleaning time had now begun. Water sprayed up high and wide. Splashes danced on every side. Tony laughed with great delight. Washing made it fresh and bright. Fun was flowing like a tide. Round big wheels were dark and gray. Tony scrubbed the dirt away. Up and down, sponged it light, cleaning every muddy side. Shiny wheels began to stay. Foam went the window glass. Tony wiped the dirt so fast. Sunshine began to show, like a mirror's happy glow. Windows sparkled clear at last. Bucket and the ash, floating walls, option meeting fee on home. Fun was dancing here and there. Bubbles floating in the air. Tony saw them everywhere. Pop, pop with the soapy foam, making clean and feel like home. From the debris slamming wide. Fun was dancing here and there. Soap was rinsed with the water bright. Truck looked fresh and full of light. Tony swayed with happy cheer, making every corner clear. Now it's sparkled clean and white. Truck was shining like a star. Cleanest fire truck by far. Tony smiled with joyful pride, standing safely by its side. Shine could be seen from afar. Lights went blinking, sirens shone, ready for a rescue call. Strong and brave and standing tall, clean and shining like a throne. Tony said, the job is through. Truck looked bright and good as new. Helping here was what we do. Happy ending, shining true. Happy ending, shining true.
Oh no, no, look at the bus, covered in mud and lots of dust. Tony says it needs a wash. Let's clean it now without a rush. Soon it will shine bright and plush. Tony grabs the hose so fast. Time to wash the bus at last. Bucket soap, and sponge so bright. Cleaning the bus feels just right. Let's make the bus sparkle in light. Splash, splash, water flies. Drops are dancing in the skies. Tony sprays the muddy bus. Cleaning it is fun for us. Goodbye dirt and dusty fuss. Bubble, bubble, foam so white. Floating softly, shining bright. Tony scrubs the bus with care. Bubbles flying everywhere. Bubbles flying everywhere. Clean bus coming, shiny and fair. Round big wheels are muddy too. Tony says we must clean you. Scrub, scrub, scrub with brush so strong. Cleaning wheels won't take too long. Soon they'll roll smooth all day long. Wipe, wipe, windows clear. Now the shiny glass is here. Tony smiles and cleans with care. Sparkles dancing in the air. Water flows and bubbles flare. Water flows and bubbles slide. Dirty soap runs to the side. Tony rinses every place. Now the bus has a happy face. Clean and shiny in the race. Look, look, shiny bus, bright and clean for all of us. Tony smiles with happy cheer. Sparkles shining far and near. Bus is clean from wheel to top. Tony says, great job, don't stop. Sparkles shining sunny light. Everything looks fresh and bright. Happy bus, what a sight.